Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Swamp Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to be going over our outdoor cooking and processing kit, one that we made ourselves. I hope this video is informative, give everybody some ideas so they can make their own kit. As you can see here, we've got like a smaller carving knife or paring knife to get little tedious stuff that we need, and cut around bone or just simply as cutting something up. Here we've got a fillet knife. It's always good to have always keep a fillet knife around, something that's got a good bend in it, holds a real good edge, for cleaning fish or cleaning game or something like that. Sometimes a flexible knife is really well. We keep a cleaver. Cleavers are good if you're chopping, cartilage or whatever. It got to go through bone or whatever it may be. A good cleaver is always handy. It can take care of a lot of your needs. A chef's knife, good, well-rounded chef's knives, you just can't beat. They cover 80-90% of all needs for cleaning, cooking, really anything. They're great. My chef's knife is my go-to in the kitchen. Some extra gloves. It's always good to have gloves on hand. Butcher paper. I like butcher paper for whenever I'm smoking meat, or if you need to, you can wrap stuff in butcher paper, and you can throw it in the freezer. Butcher paper is wonderful. If you haven't used it before, it's great. It keeps the moisture inside, and it beats aluminum foil, in my opinion. A good pair of shears for cutting stuff, as everybody knows. A good pair of tongs. I like to have a good pair of tongs around. Something that's good and sturdy, wooden handle. Something that's going to last a long time, stainless steel. Same thing with a fork. I keep a good fork on hand. Got a wooden handle. Good stainless steel. It'll last a long time. A file. I always keep I call it a rat tail file. I always keep a good file on hand. Something that if you're cleaning or processing stuff, you can just simply, give your blade a quick edge to keep up with it. Because anybody that's cleaned stuff before, a sharp knife is the best way to get her done. A good spatula. See if we got a good stainless steel spatula here. Something that'll last a long time. I hope this video was informative. Just some basic tools for outdoor cooking and stuff that we use for processing. Hit that thumbs up. Share us out. Drop a comment. And see y'all in the next video. God bless.